What is the difference between a gladiator and a refrigerator? One is bold and one is cold. One can make ice and one has ice in his veins. One runs on electricity. The other is electric to watch. One is stationary, while the other one rocks. A gladiator can get something from a refrigerator, but a refrigerator wants nothing from a gladiator, except maybe to shut the door. A gladiator can push a refrigerator around, but a refrigerator can't push a gladiator to the ground. A refrigerator can live for 20 years or more. A gladiator can have a much shorter life, that's for sure. Of course, the gladiator and the refrigerator were not existent in the same space, making this analogy between them a ridiculous waste.